Today we're discussing about two uninformed search strategies, namely depth-first search and breadth-first search. Here is my problem number 1. It has 11 nodes, and this is my goal node. We need to start from this node and reach the finish node. I will perform depth-first search on this one. So in depth-first search, a branch is explored entirely before it moves on to second node. For instance, in this case, if we start from this node, it will go to node 1 and then node 4 and then it will go to node 5. Since in these search algorithms, they always start from the left side, so we cannot go like start to node 1 and node 5 before exploring node 4. So it will also always go from start node 1, node 4, and then node 1 to node 5. And same with this. So depth first search, as the name suggests, it goes deeply first. It goes depth-wise first. Let's see if we click on step here. Starts from start, and then these nodes are added to the frontier, and let's see how it explores it. As I say, from start to node 1, and now it will go to node 4 and then node 5, and now it will move on to second node and then node 6. After that we'll go to node 3 and then node 7, and now node 8 and then node 9, and then the goal node is reached. So we expanded 11 nodes in total to reach our goal node. So this was our depth first search. This one we will discuss about breadth first search. In breadth first search, it operates on the logic of queue, that is first in first out. So whichever node was entered first, it will be explored first. In this case, we have begin node, and this is my goal node. From begin node, it will go to node 0, then node 1, then node 2. That is, it will explore all its immediate neighbors first and then move on to the next node. So from begin, it will go to node 0, 1, 2, and then it will go to node 0 and then node 3. That is, node 0 has one immediate neighbor, that is node 3, and in node 1 it has immediate neighbor node 6. So after this it will go to node 2 and then node 8 and so on. Let's see. Step node 0, 1 and 2 are added to the frontier, and now it will explore node 0, node 1, node 2, and now it will go from node 0 to node 3, and now it will go begin node 1, node 6, node 2, node 8, and then so on until we reach the final goal, which is this one, and 9 nodes were explored. One thing to note in this search algorithms is that breadth first search can easily deal with the cycles. This is a cycle, so from node 3, 4, 5 again to node 3. So we had no issues in finding the goal, but if I perform this problem using depth first search does not deal with the cycles. So if I click on depth first search, the goal node will never be reached. I'll try to do the auto search thing. Let's do step. So begin, node 1, 0, 1, and 2 are added to the frontier, and now it will go to, since it is depth first, it will go from begin to node 0, then node 3, and then node 4, then node 5, and then node 3 again. This is a cycle, so it will never come out of the cycle. Let's see this. Node 0, node 3, node 4, node 5, node 3, node 4, node 5, and so on. It will keep on going like this, and it will never reach the goal node. So depth first search, one big drawback of depth first search is it never deals with the cycles, so we will never find the goal. But in breadth first search, there is not, the cycles are handled properly, and we can find our goal node easily. That's it. Thank you.